To put with some of the beads, here this one, the wire 1 millimeter 18 gauge, the same one here. Okay, I'm going to make a smaller size, so we're going to try with a smaller size. First put with the beads, and the second wrap the wire. Okay. We're going to fold it first. Fold it here. Okay, first we wrap here. Next, I'm going to show you the total. Dear Anna, your total is 52. You get a wire 0.4 in silver and get 4-piece the chain. 4-piece the chain here. So your total box is 52. 52, my dear. And Ann Wilson, your total is 302. 302 is your box with the items all in here. 302. Okay. And 他们有没有人 And Wilson, you have some tickets here. You also have some tickets here. We are going to pack it. And the Coffee Land, they also have the tickets for the small connector. But here the total, not included the tickets, is 51. 51 for you, Coffee Land. Here. Thank you. Here. Okay. So let's continue. Here. Let's go continue. We will use the wire 0.4 here. 0.4 and let's go into put with the beads as well. Here. I cut the wire 0.4 1 meter and go through inside the loop at the end, then tight it so it's not going to be move here. Tickets Coffee Land 这里还有一些 tickets， 它这里有，然后之前 Wendy 附掉的它的贴纸是没有加进去的哈。Ticket, I let Stella calculate for you later. Wait for a moment. Yeah. Okay, then we go start to wrap it here. We are wrapper. Hi, Lucy. Happy to see you. Hello, Dana. Then let's go into use the beads turquoise. Hello, Dana. Beads turquoise color is 2 millimeter. Here. We are string on 5, 8. Hello, Steven. Steven Snower Sweet. We are making earring 1 millimeter wire, 15 centimeter. 15 centimeter, dear. Okay, here. Then let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And let's put 1 bead here. Then again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 times a bead. I going to repeat 10 times, then put a bead again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 不知道这里面有没有 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We just twist it. Thank you. 10. Then a bead again. Come a bead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Again, come a bead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, here I finish wrap the beads and I cut away the wire. I cut away the wire here. It's like this. We're going to move and tight it here. So it's this way. Then use the wire 0.6 again. This time I try if use 3 pieces of the wire. Try it 3 pieces. One, I cut it 30 centimeter. 2, 1, 2, 3. Here. This one. Then we fold the beginning here. Okay. So it's here the beginning. Then we're going to fold it here this way. One time fold and let the 3 pieces of the wire bend it here. Bend and this time here come to the top. Here it's like this and here fold 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 here. Twist. It's like this. Okay. Then we can wrap it to the end here. This one I'm going to cut away tight. Thank you, my friends. Here is a live streaming to share with you how to making the jewelry by ourselves. Here we cut, then bend it. Coffee Land. After to add the tickets, your total is 60, 60, my dear, 60. Is your total after put with the tickets here. Then let's it's not a ring, it's a earring, so we are going to bend the shape here. Tight. So here is the earring, hoop earring that's done. It's finished the hoop earring. This one, you can make a pair So you got it there. It's a way that we can wrap to the earring like this. Yeah, it's very not so much hard to make. Yeah, it's not the gauge of the wire is 18 gauge, 22 gauge, and the rubber beads is the 26 gauge. Total is 3 sides of the wire here. 3 sides of the wire here. If you are interested to make it, we have the copper wire for sale. Copper wire here is